हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू फिजिक्स पाठशाला। आज हम पढ़ेंगे रिगार्डिंग व्हाट इज फिजिकल क्वांटिटी, व्हाट आर टाइप्स ऑफ फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज एंड their use. Physical quantity is any term or quantity that is used to describe laws of physics, laws of physics, or say rules of physics is termed as a physical quantity. That means with the help of a physical quantity, we will be able to explain laws of physics or rules of physics. We know any natural activity, any natural phenomena or natural event that is studied and explained through physics laws or rules. And these laws of physics is expressed using mathematical equation, and mathematical equation constituted using certain terms. These terms are known as physical quantity. Condition of a quantity to be a physical quantity is it should be measured. It should be measured. Yes, it can be measured. The quantity that can be measured, we should be able to measure that quantity. मतलब क्वांटिटी को हम मेजर कर पाएंगे. While you will measure the quantity, it will have its measured value. That is, measured value is always some numerical times some unit. तो कोई भी क्वांटिटी जिसको हम मेजर कर पाएंगे, नंबर वन, और वो यूज होगा टू एक्सप्लेन और डिस्क्राइब लॉज ऑफ फिजिक्स और रूल्स ऑफ फिजिक्स, उसको हम बोलेंगे फिजिकल क्वांटिटी. Now, physical quantity which is independent of each other and not defined in terms of other physical quantities. That means physical quantity which do not depend upon any other physical quantity when it is defined. These type of physical quantities are termed as independent or fundamental physical quantity. Fundamental physical quantity or base quantities. Base quantities. These base quantities are such as mass, length, and time. All of the quantities are dependent upon these independent quantities. That means by combination of these independent quantities, these dependent quantities are formed. These dependent quantities are formed. These type of quantities, that means, are derived with the help of these fundamental quantities or derived from these fundamental quantities. Hence, it is termed as derived quantities. Now we have fundamental quantities and we have derived quantities. Physical quantities are classified into two categories. One is fundamental quantity, another is derived quantities. Another third type of quantities are available. It is angles. It is angles, or we say these angles are supplement quantities. Now we have fundamental quantity, we have derived quantity, and we have सप्लीमेंट्री क्वांटिटी। अभी हमने क्लासिफाई जब किया सारे क्वांटिटीज को, हमने जो इंडिपेंडेंट क्वांटिटीज है जो जिसको किसी के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट नहीं है वो फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी हो गया, और जो क्वांटिटीज फंडामेंटल की क्वांटिटी के हेल्प पर बना और डिराइव हुआ फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी से, वो डिराइव क्वांटिटी हो गया। और स्पेशल क्वांटिटी द एंगल्स आर supplementary quantities. So these angles are plane angle and another is solid angle. Plane angle is our theta is L by R and unit is radian, whereas solid angle is surface area by radius square and unit is steradian. Now mass, length and time are the fundamental quantities. Mass, length and time are the fundamental quantities. तो इनका यूनिट जो है you can have किलोग्राम और ग्राम, length can have meter or centimeter, time unit can have seconds. Now, if we use unit of mass as kg, length meter, unit of time as second, these type of system of units will say it is MKS. M for meter, K for kilogram, S for seconds. Another system of units when we use gram as unit of mass and centimeter as unit of length and second as unit of time, we say it is CGS system of units. C, G and S. C for centimeter, G for gram, S for seconds. When you use unit of mass as pounds, length as foot and time again second, it is termed as FPS system. Now we have three fundamental quantities and their units in different system, and this MK system is the internationally accepted and used, hence we say it is a international system of units. Hence, NPS system is termed as or known as International System of Units. In that, along with all these three, we have added another four fundamental quantities. We had fundamental quantity 1, 2, 3. Then we had another fundamental quantities we had another 4. तो SI सिस्टम जो बना, SI सिस्टम में total fundamental quantities became 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fourth one is electric current. Electric current. Fifth is fifth one is temperature. Sixth one is amount of substance. And seventh one is luminous intensity. Now, unit of electric current is ampere or symbol A. Temperature is Kelvin, symbol capital K. Amount of substance, unit is mole, symbol MOL. That's luminous intensity, unit is candela, symbol Ct. Now we have all seven fundamental quantities and their units. Seven fundamental quantities begin: mass, length, time, electric current, amount of substance, temperature, and luminous intensity. Their units: for mass kg, kilogram, meter, m, second, s, symbol s. Then for ampere A, for Kelvin K, for mole mol, and candela Ct. In supplemental quantity, we have plane angle. That means on a plane, when two lines cross, they form a angle theta. This theta is L by radius r. If this is the radius r and L by r is the theta, it will make, else we can say it is L by r radian. For a complete 360 degree or 2 pi, when it becomes 360 degree, it becomes 2 pi radian. In that case, total L becomes perimeter 2 pi r by r, or 2 pi. That means it can be, angle can be expressed using radian or degree. Another one is, let's take sphere and some part is cut. This small area, I suppose ds, this small area makes a angle at the center, and this becomes a cone. This small angle, this is our solid angle. The solid angle is, suppose d omega is ds by r square, where r is the radius of the sphere. Now, the solid angle d omega as the unit is sterradian.